Today we'll be studying the volume of triangular prisms. A prism is described by the shape of its base. For instance, a rectangular prism has bases that are rectangles. A pentagonal prism has bases that are pentagons. Well, today, a triangular prism is a prism with triangular bases. To find the volume of a triangular prism, you need to know the three things. First is length in L units. So the length of this prism is L units, so using a cursive L. A triangular cross-section has a base of B units. So the base of this triangle is B units. And the height of this triangle, you have to have a right angle. So we have our right angle right there. The height is in H units. Combining all this together, we will find the volume of in cubic units. Okay, so we have our triangular prism, and we know the triangular prism because we have our bases that are triangles. And then we have the polygons in between. So to find the area, to find the volume of a triangular prism, volume equals 1/2 base times height. So like we normally find the area of a triangle, so we do 1/2 base times height. So right now, our height is 9 and our base is 12. So we would do 1/2 times the base, which is 12, times the height of it, which is 9. Well, we're not done because obviously that's just the area of this section, this one piece right here. Well, what makes it three-dimensional is there's kind of like slices all the way across, and we do that 18 times. So if you could visualize this triangle being repeated 18 times. So not only do we have to find the area of the initial triangle, the base of the triangle, we have to multiply all of that times the length, which is 18 in this particular case. Whoops. Which would be 18. So all of that together, 1/2 times 12 times 19 times 18 is going to equal, so 1/2 times 12 will be 6. 6 times 9 is 54, and then 54 times 18 . So our answer would be 972 cubic centimeters because we're still dealing with cube units. So cubic centimeters. So let's do another one. If I had my triangular prism, and I've got my prism going all the way back, so if in my right angle, so my height is, let's say, 5, my base is 3, and my length is 7. So again, the volume for the triangular prism will be 1/2 base times height, so finding the area for the base of the triangle, and then multiplying that 7 times, because that triangle is repeated 7 times. Think of them as stacked on top of each other. So times the length, which is 7. So to rewrite the problem, base times height, and then all of that times 7. And when we multiply all that together, that gives us the volume of the entire triangular prism. And you can do the math.